I recently started losing my hair, and my friends say something like, Dennis, don't worry, lot of bald guy look brutal and sexy. And for some people it works, like you all see Carmine. Your husband also bald, so you could, what is your name? Sorry? Colin, so your wife or girlfriend, it would be soon, wife. Do some step forward and, okay, so your girlfriend could, so your girlfriend could come to you and say, Colin, you look so brutal and sexy, but when I will be bald, some girl could come to me and say, Dennis, I hope chemotherapy goes well. So I consider hair transplant, and I would go to Turkey, because Turkey is capital of hair transplant. This is main idea of communism. People who have a lot of hair share their hair with people who have little hair.